Hey guys, everybody needs a quick fix 15-minute pasta recipe. This is the light and fresh pasta that you need. This is my super green pasta that takes minutes to make. It all comes together as the pasta cooks out. We're going to infuse olive oil with some garlic, some chili flakes, and then add ribbons of courgette before adding our pasta straight to the pan with plenty of pecorino cheese, some fresh herbs, and lots of seasoning. This is the sort of pasta recipe I crave midweek, and if you need a break from winter stodge, this is the fresh, vibrant hit you need, and there's a bit of spice in there too. So to start it off, I have a big pot of water that's coming up to the boil. We're going to heavily season that with salt, and in this pan, we're going to bring up some olive oil alongside some garlic and some chili flakes and get that flavor going. Now, the trick of this recipe is the simplicity of just infusing that oil so that it has lots of gorgeous garlic flavor. I've started on a low heat. In fact, it's coming up from cold. And as soon as it starts to heat up, you'll notice that the garlic begins to bubble and sizzle. And at the point it starts to turn golden, we're going to get in there with some spice, with some red chili flakes. And while that happens, we're going to cook out the pasta and grate up our courgette. Okay, we're in a good place. We've got the pasta cooking out. It's only going to need about 4 or 5 minutes just until it's al dente. The courgette I've added into the pan. It's just softening up. It's taking on the flavor of the chili and the garlic that's in there. You can see the great colors that are here. And now it's just a case of combining pasta with that beautiful slick of oil, some pecorino cheese, and a little bit of lemon zest. So the great thing about this is just how quickly it comes together. The last finishing touch, a little bit of basil, and we're good to serve. Just have a look at that. Toss together courgette, a little bit of basil, pine nuts, lemon zest, pecorino. These are good things that are going on in here. And don't forget, you've got that heat that comes through with the chili. This is now ready to serve. You can finish it off with some pecorino, maybe a little bit more lemon zest, but make sure you add some fresh basil leaves as well. This is ready to rock.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Just look at that. 15 minutes and you have a serious plate of pasta. It's light, it's fresh, and it's vibrant as well. So let's dig in and try some. I love the fact that by just adding a little bit of courgette, it makes you feel a little bit better about eating a big plate of pasta, but you could add spinach in there, steamed greens, it's totally up to you. That's a serious plate of pasta. It's all about the heat you get from the chili. That little infusion of garlic and chili flakes into the oil is what powers through the rest of the dish. But what I love most are those silky little strands of courgette that run through. And like I said, swap that out with some broccoli or some asparagus or some baby spinach leaf and you've got some really gorgeous things happening. It's a perfect dish to build on. The core of it is down to that really beautifully infused oil and you have a plate of pasta to be proud of. If you want the full recipe, as always, in the box below, check it out down there and over on my website. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and leave us a comment letting me know your quick fix, fresh midweek pasta dish. Is this it? This could be your new one. Right, I'm off to eat the rest. See you soon.